Wait, what? I just found an action camera for $80 and it shouldn't be this good. I thought it would be trash, but the footage, actually insane. Stabilization, clarity, it's giving premium camera vibes for cheap. I'm dropping the full test soon, but honestly, I might have just found the best budget camera. You have to see this. By no means am I suggesting this is a replacement for GoPro, DJI or Insta360. I initially opted for Runcam Thumb 2, which costs $100, and in the full video I'll explain why I changed my mind. Think you can guess which action camera this is? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.